Why does your DoorDash arrival time keep changing? DoorDash's ETA, or estimated time of arrival, is calculated using real-time data like GPS, traffic, and driver availability. Changes happen due to unforeseen delays, such as traffic jams, dasher unavailability, or restaurant delays. DoorDash has implemented a dynamic ETA feature using AI to improve accuracy, reducing inaccuracies by up to 25% compared to 2024. Despite these improvements, fluctuations of 10 to 30 minutes are still common, especially during peak hours. Remember that ETAs are estimates, not guarantees, to manage expectations. Enable push notifications to stay updated on any changes. To minimize ETA changes, try ordering during off-peak hours. If your ETA keeps changing, refresh the app or contact DoorDash support for assistance. Regarding substitutions, DoorDash now offers smart substitutions, allowing you to pre-approve alternatives. To avoid unwanted substitutions, set your preferences in the app settings or opt in to no sub policies. If you receive an unauthorized substitution, contact DoorDash support for a refund or redelivery. Communication is key. Dashers should contact you for approval before making any substitutions, ensuring you get what you want.